start with math. So like this is our introduction day where we are launching this whole thing, and of course we are going to introduce ourselves afterwards, but for now let me just introduce what we'll be doing for us from Wednesday this week all the way to December. Kama tutakuwa tumemaliza, then we have again to commence next year. And then this is a certified course, a valid certificate that can be able to help. So it is of some great benefit to you people. And then our main reason for starting this is because we have realized that during my interaction with so many people, not only the Kenyan youths but even the aged, so we realized that most of the people are digitally starting to sell elite things that we can do, and what we can use computer, like the uses of computer, we can use computer in our daily lives, how we can use computers to collaborate. Most of the time we spend good time with our computers, smartphones, just consuming things that we have there on the internet, like watching reels. Much of our time doing that, but on the other side, we can use online to learn some of the skills that can help us in our daily life. So our course is like we are not training you on everything, but we are actually making you aware of the tools that you can use to perform a specific task. Like we cannot take you through all of the mobile app development, but we can tell you, like, when you want to do mobile app development, then you can use this is how you can use it, this is where you can learn it, and this is how you, of course, you can monetize your skills. So we are not going to take you through the Google Sheets, whereby you can collaborate, do numerical analysis, and at least have some skills. And then we are going to highlight some of the tools. We'll be taking you some of the tools that you can use, like for graphic design, or just coming up with flyers that you can use to come up with something in your daily life. So we'll be talking about Canva for that. And then AI automation, like how can we use AI, like the one we use in our daily life, like the ChatGPT. How can we integrate ChatGPT with the Google Docs and come up with a business report, something like that? And how can we use Google Sheets to perform numerical analysis? And again, we'll be talking about the freelancing part, whereby after getting all these skills, after knowing how you can do the graphics, how you can do the data analysis, so the next step is now how can you monetize it. And we'll be talking about the digital platforms that can help you monetize the skills and the communication skills as well, like how can you communicate with them. And then another one is, of course, the co-founder of this, the one who said that we should come up with this. It's called Jeff Brett from US, specifically Harvard. It's just a master student, a professor, so it's a good guy that also will be able to meet with you online. Of course, we'll be projecting some of the lessons when he will be available, and then he guides you through. So it is a good course, and I'm looking forward to working on this journey with you guys. So on Wednesday, we'll be having our classes from 2, of course from 2:30 p.m. and it can go up to 2 hours, or we can extend with some minutes, and it is a practical kind of a thing. So instead of writing a notes on your book, we can use Google Classroom for the notes, notifications, and the assessment submission. And then at the end of every week, we'll be having projects, and the project, of course, can help you now come up with your profile at the end of it all. So asanteni sana, And this was just a launching day and the introduction part of it. So when we meet on Wednesday, we'll interact more. Asanteni sana. Sawa.